Viruses.
Bacteria.
So, what is a virus? Well, a virus is a non-living infectious agent, and they are found everywhere. Now, a virus has no cell organelles, meaning a virus is not alive, but dead. There's a lot of controversy about this. I'm dead, guys. Indeed you are. Now, a virus is also an infectious agent. They attack other cells, and they are eliminated by the immune system. And they're also everywhere. Have I said that?
So what is bacteria, you say? Bacteria is alive and only has one cell. It is multiplying rapidly and found anywhere in clumps of groups. It is a prokaryotic, which means it has no nucleus and lacks chlorophyll.
So, what are the differences between viruses and bacteria? To start off, bacteria is considered a living thing. They have no nucleus, and they have ribosomes. They also have a cell wall and a cell membrane. Viruses are not alive. They have capsids, and in the capsids, they contain DNA and RNA. They have receptors and penetrators. They need a host cell to perform functions. Bacteria are small, however, viruses are 100 times smaller.
Now, viruses reproduce in different ways compared to bacteria. Now, first, absorption. Viruses attach themselves to a host cell. Second, injection. They inject their DNA or RNA into the cell. Third, replication. They use a cell to clone their own DNA or RNA. Fourth, assembly. They make enzymes made for virions. Fifth, develop. The virions are made. And finally, the fully complete viruses are released from the host cell. And the process repeats.
Bacteria reproduces differently from viruses. Bacterial reproduction is referred to as bacterial growth, which is split into 4 stages. Stage 1, log. Nothing happens except active metabolic activity. Stage 2, lag. Bacteria population increases rapidly. The next stage, stationary, is when the birth rate of the bacteria equals the death rate of bacteria. However, in stage 4, the final stage, bacteria starts dying until very few or none of bacteria exist.
Bacteria and viruses are treated differently. Viruses can only be treated with the use of vaccines. Fortunately, antibiotics were invented to cure bacteria. How does the immune system combat viruses? When viruses enter the cell breaks up the virus using enzymes. Then, it displays the pieces of the broken up virus outside the cell. Antibodies are created using the DNA of the cell and are produced, and then they are sent outside the cell to stop the virus. The immune system combats bacteria differently. White blood cells create antibodies, which attach onto the bacteria. The antibodies immobilize the bacteria and sometimes stop deadly things that the bacteria can do to the body. The cells then locate the antibodies and eat up the bacteria. They do this by absorbing the bacteria into the cell membrane and then trapping it within another membrane inside the cell. Then, enzymes in the cell eat up the bacteria.
The end.